Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're diving into a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their salon or personal beauty space, the OmySalon 4-layer Salon Station Storage Cabinet. This storage solution promises to bring order and convenience to your hair care setup, whether you're a professional stylist or just looking to organize your beauty essentials at home. At first glance, the OmySalon cabinet has a modern, sleek design in rustic brown that fits effortlessly into a variety of decor styles. Made with durable medium-density fiberboard, MDF, it's built to withstand the rigors of a busy salon environment or daily home use. Now let's explore how this piece holds up in real-world usage. Assembling the cabinet is straightforward, thanks to the clear instructions and all the necessary accessories included in the box. I was able to put it together in just under 30 minutes, and for someone like me who's not the best at DIY, that was a pleasant surprise. The materials feel sturdy, and the smooth, waterproof surface is easy to wipe down, which is a must in any space where beauty tools are used. One of the standout features of this storage cabinet is the upgrade to alloy hairdryer holders. These holders are heat-resistant, so you don't need to worry about your tools overheating or causing damage to the surface. The placement of the two holders on the side of the cabinet keeps your hair dryers and curling irons within easy reach without cluttering your workspace. This is a huge plus, especially in a professional setting where efficiency is key. The 4 storage drawers are well-sized and easy to access with their sleek arc handles. Each drawer can fit a range of tools, from brushes and combs to larger items like hair dryers and straighteners. The space is designed to accommodate items of various sizes, which is a thoughtful touch for anyone juggling multiple products. As far as usability goes, this cabinet does what it's supposed to. It provides ample storage while keeping your tools organized and easily accessible. I've used it in my own space, and I found that it not only kept everything in place, but also made the cleaning process much easier. The smooth surface and raised table legs allow for a quick wipe down, which is a huge bonus for busy professionals or anyone who uses their beauty tools regularly. Now onto the pros and cons of this cabinet. On the plus side, the OmySalon cabinet is incredibly easy to assemble, making it a good option for those who need a quick solution. The durable MDF construction and heat-resistant dryer holders are also major highlights, along with the 4 spacious drawers that cater to a variety of storage needs. On the flip side, the cabinet's size might be a little too compact for those with an extensive collection of tools. If you're working with larger styling equipment, you may need to get creative with your storage. Also, while the raised legs give the cabinet an elegant look, they might not provide enough space for larger items underneath the unit. When it comes to value for money, I think the OmySalon 4-layer Salon Station Storage Cabinet strikes a good balance. For its price, you're getting durable construction, practical storage solutions, and a sleek, modern look that can easily complement a variety of spaces. It's a solid option for both commercial use in a salon and for home use in a bathroom or bedroom setup. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other salon storage units out there at a similar price point, but they might not come with the upgraded alloy dryer holders or as many storage drawers. Some may even offer more compact designs, but you might sacrifice sturdiness or the ability to store larger tools. In terms of build quality and longevity, this storage cabinet feels like it will hold up well over time. The MDF is durable, and the heat-resistant dryer holders are a nice touch, ensuring that the product will stand up to daily use. Given its easy-to-clean surface, it should maintain its appearance for a long time. If you've ever needed a simple yet functional storage solution for your salon or personal beauty space, this cabinet delivers. While it might not be the largest unit available, its thoughtful design, ease of use, and durability make it a solid choice for anyone in need of a stylish, practical storage option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.